Stand tall with your feet together and your arms stretched overhead, palms together. Bounce lightly in place while keeping your arms reaching up. Stay tall through your body and keep your core tight. Land softly and repeat on the other side. Stand tall with your feet together, elbows bent and hands near your shoulders. Lift one knee up while the toes of that foot stay touching the floor. Step back to center and bring your arms back in. Repeat on the other side, moving smoothly. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms relaxed by your sides. Step lightly to the toes while swinging your arms back. Step back to center while pulling your hands up overhead. Keep your chest open and move smoothly. Stand with your feet apart, one arm raised overhead and the other down by your side. Twist your hips to one side while swinging your arms in opposite directions. Return to center, then switch sides. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, one hand near your chest and the other ready to reach up. Twist your hips to one side while pushing one arm up overhead. Return to center, then twist to the other side and push the other arm up. Move smoothly and keep your core tight. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, elbows bent by your sides. Twist your waist from one side to the other side. Keep your palms facing each other and move them in a circular motion. Keep your core tight and move smoothly. Stand tall with your arms open to the sides. Lift one knee up while clapping your hands under the raised knee. Lower the leg and open your arms back out. Switch sides and repeat.